Yo, damage beyond repair. COBO official. 4 years ago. Let's check it out. What do we got? Dude, this song must be a guitarist's wet dream to recreate and replay. Oh my god, wait, one time. Yeah, that's definitely the best vocal so far. Literally felt like the guitars and vocalists were fucking racing in race cars right there. Okay. Yeah, this seems when did this come out? On YouTube 2019. This seems like it's like the OG classic type of music. Children of Bottom. Okay. I don't think actually I don't think I've ever listened to these guys before, if I remember correctly. All right, let's move on.